Hakasin ke beningkong hakaba ke skul bahar ke bedai ke wain na ke shilem ai jing hikai hakaput ke tem hakisur bapher haka arpunyau trik uyayong kala rakhi ke first annual program ke balong habangio sahitya parishad auditorium ke badon hajil road. Habalayo banya kren bat ketrai nong sing ya kini ke skul ai jing hikai bat hakajuk kapor ke bedai rukum kan nong hikai ke Smith Chowdhury kalai thu ba ya kini ke skul kala sing nadu khat sansnem minchwa Henry kani pat kadi ke sin ke beningkong bakan rakhi ya kini ke sngi kerpang jong kini ke skul ai jing hikai bat ke jing thmu jong kini ke skul ke long ban ai jing hikai ki khna ki bakwa ban tip bat shempang shakaput ke tem hakarwai ke siau bat ki we ki jat jing put jing tem.
This is my music school named as Bahar. So this is the first annual function of my school Bahar. This is actually basically the motto is the platform for my children to exhibit their talent. Today's program will be a program with mixed flavor of different songs of different genres, and my students are from various parts of Shillong, and basically I try to groom them with classical part and a different type of songs, and time to time my students keep performing in various parts of the city on different occasions. And so this is now today a program, I can say a big magnitude program. Let me see how can I proceed with the program in the near future. 22 students will be performing, and there are many pass out from my school who have already done their graduation in music, and many are doing. Today 22 students, out of these 22 students, 2 students are already passed out, but I am very glad rather they have gladly accepted to perform in this program. So let's hope for the best. And renowned physician Dr. Parthasarathi Chaudhuri, he has accepted our invitation, and he has already come. He is the chief guest of our program today. He will grace our program. His presence in fact has graced our program. I actually basically, whenever any student comes to me, I basically focus on the grammar. The thing is, I always focus on that a student should get the proper training on the grammar part, and once the grammar is ready, any student can sing any type of song. So that is my motto, that any student who is singing should know the grammar properly. That is my main motto. And on the other part, I take care that every student should be capable of singing all type of songs, because I believe music is the universal language. So any type of song, a student should be prepared to perform. This school, I have students from different part of the city. As I said, I have Bengali students, of course, Assamese, Nepali, Khasi, Gado, Hajong, different community students I have. And the best part is, these students from different community, they show so much of interest in learning all type of songs, whether it is a Bengali song or any song, classical, any type of song. They are keen in learning this type of songs. I think 15 years back I have started this school, but formally this is the first time I am celebrating my school's annual function. Actually, all these years I have never planned to celebrate my annual function, but now onwards I will be celebrating this annual program every year.
Hakani kesngi lawan bansak hilang Dr. Parthasarathi Chaudhuri kum ukongsan kino hikai jong kate skul ki khna puli jong ni ka music class ki kimi ki pa batru ki we kinong sha khots ngobha.